Okay, so you're stuck or challenged when it comes down to high credit card limits or how to be able to get increase. Well, the one word that you have to always understand is called credit recommendation. Credit recommendation is an internal scoring system that banks use to be able to determine your eligibility for an increase. Now, one thing is for sure, credit recommendations comes with 24 months of good payment history. Why? Because once you get into the system and the banks and the system sees that you have 24 months of perfect payment history, let's say with a credit card that's about $5,000, now they can 10x that to the next level, 10x, 50 grand. The way to get the $50,000 is to be able to have a 24-month good payment history with the national lenders. Now, credit unions work a little bit of a different rule. They have their own member-driven type of approving deals, but when it comes down to your national lenders, which are the ones that give the highest limits, $100,000, $150,000, $200,000 on just one single card, you can now use the rule and understand that when it comes down to credit recommendations, it's about the 24-month rule, 24-month great payment history. But in addition to that, let's talk about inquiries. You cannot provide your information to every lender that you find. And as we agree, we need to get higher limits at a faster rate with a business. However, it is very important that you keep your inquiries for a very low conservative amount so that when you now apply for a higher increase with the credit card company, they can now see that your information is stable, your credit is stable, and now the system does a credit recommendation for a 10x. Final thing, make sure that when you are asking for an increase, you have to have a reason for the increase. If you're only using maybe 10% of that card on a monthly basis, then why give you or recommend higher limits when you're not even utilizing of what you have? So you have to make sure that you increase those limits by utilizing the card and then paying it off every single month to get higher limits. And this, my friend, is why people get $200,000, $500,000, even up to $5 million worth in credit card limits for their business, and now they can utilize it in any way, shape, or form to have what? An ROI. Hopefully that helped. Follow, give us a comment. We'll see you on the flip side.